Hi, my name is Gordon Stack, and I'm a technical specialist here with RioSense. Today, I'm going to show you how to properly replace and refill the solvents on the Initium system. First thing that you want to do is make sure that there's no current job running. The instrument can still be turned on, but if it's in the middle of a job and you go to replace the solvents, they are driven by positive pressure, and that could cause an instrument error or cause the chip to not be fully cleaned out. First, remove the gas line to depressurize the system. Always do it in that order, and it's the line with the black fitting. Then release the liquid line. And then go to refill your solvent. And if you're setting the cap down, make sure to do it in a relatively particle-free area. Once you replace your solvent, gently put it back on the instrument onto the holder. There are weight sensors in here that could be potentially damaged. Rescrew in the solvent lines. And the order doesn't matter on the way on replacing them.
Dude, you're taking forever.
Don't rush me.
Alright.
Once you've done that, go into the software and make sure that you have the correct solvents listed. In this case, we're doing a standard method where we have AQUET, IPA, and heptane. If you're running a buffer cleaning method, it's going to be your buffer, AQUET, and IPA. So that's all there is to replacing solvents. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to us at sales@riosense.com. Also, like, comment, and subscribe below. If there's any other videos that you would like to see us do, we're open to suggestions, and yeah, thank you.